doing cowboy steaks or big tomahawk ribeyes, or whatever you want to call them. But we're going to rub them down with some olive oil, and then we're going to season them up. We're going to use our Famous Dave's steak and burger seasoning on there, some garlic, and some black restaurant ground black pepper. So hold still. We're going to do a reverse sear on these. So we'll put them on the smoker today and smoke them at 225, and we'll do that for a couple of hours. Cook this all up. You want to coat both sides. You want to coat both the edge and the sides with some olive oil. That just gives our seasoning some place to stick. Some people will say pat these dry, season them up. Whatever you prefer, this is how I prefer to do it. But I promise you, they come out pretty beautiful. So don't take a whole lot. This big old bottle is kind of hard to pour it the way I want to, but nevertheless, it's on there. And then what we'll do is we'll crank up the heat after they've been smoked for 2 hours and throw them on the, either we're going to sear them probably on our griddle, but you can also just sear them on either your cast iron and put it in and do it that way, or you can throw it directly on your smoker grill combo if you have one of those. So here we are with that. That's all the olive oil. Now we're going to start with our seasoning. It's Famous Dave's steak and burger. No big secret. It's really good. We like it on just about everything. We use multiple things, but this is our kind of our go-to. Today is my wife and I's 26-year anniversary. So this is her dinner for tonight. I don't think I'll get any complaints. When I sear these, I'll sear the ends as well. But for right now, we'll make sure we get the seasoning on there.
What do you feel beside? I don't know where we're gonna fly like you did sometimes. Seeing eyes of mine. Love, 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 I wanna be strong.
That's right.
We're doing wrong, but I'll try.
And then next we'll do our garlic, and I'll finish up with the black pepper. And we'll put them on the smoker.
We're doing wrong, but I'll change it.
You just want SPG, that's fine. I also like the little spicier version for myself, where I use cayenne, paprika, and cinnamon, but my base is still with the Famous Dave's. There you have it. We got them seasoned up. And we're going to stick them out on our pit boss. Y'all stay tuned, and we'll show them out on the grill next. Okay, we're going to stick these steaks up high. This is the hotter end on my smoker, probably is on most of the 1600s, I imagine. Anyways, we'll stick them up here and let them smoke. I'll turn them over halfway through. I'll finish out, but we're going to give them an hour, turn them, and then another hour, and then we're gonna hit them with high heat, sear them off, and we're gonna enjoy them. We're looking for an internal temperature of about 125 when we pull them out of here, and after we sear them, they should be somewhere around 140 for us. So stay tuned, guys. All right, we got a stick of butter we're gonna put on here. Let that melt around them. These cowboy ribeyes we done in the smoker for 2 hours. Then we took them and put them on a hot griddle with 1 stick of butter, and we brought their internal temperature up to 130 degrees. So now we're letting them rest, and then we'll cut into them and see what they look like.